Hi foodies, welcome to Mellowbites Saladelicious series episode number 3. Today we are whipping up a super delicious and healthy chicken salad that's perfect for summer. Speciality of the salad, fresh, nutty, zesty and light. Let's get started. First, let's cook the chicken. I'm adding 1/3 cup of water and 400 grams of boneless cube chicken into my cute and compact Hawkins 1.5 liter cooker. Season it with adequate salt and pepper to taste. Mix it well and pressure cook it for just 1 whistle. Meanwhile, let's roast half cup of walnuts in a cast iron kadai to remove their rawness. Just 2 to 3 minutes is enough to toast these walnuts. Once it's toasted really well, you can either crush them into bite-sized pieces or leave them whole. I prefer them lightly crushed. Here we go, our veggies are all chopped and ready. The chicken is now perfectly cooked. Strain the excess water so that you can save it for soups. Now, to a big bowl, let's assemble 1/4 cup of cubed onions, 2 cups of cubed cucumber, 1 cup of yellow bell pepper, 1/4 cup of sliced olives, 1/2 cup of pomegranate seeds, the roasted and crushed walnuts, and finally the cooked chicken. Now let's prep the salad dressing. Quick and flavorful. To a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of zesty white wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of olive oil that makes a salad dressing so smooth, a tablespoon of honey for that sweetness, quarter teaspoon of mustard powder. It gives a nice tint of flavor to the salad dressing, and finally some salt and then pepper to taste. Whisk it really well until it gets emulsified. Gently drizzle the dressing all over the salad. Toss everything together nicely. And voila! Our yummy, no lettuce chicken salad is ready in minutes. You can serve it immediately or chill it in fridge for a cool, refreshing meal. Enjoy every bite of it and meet you in another video. Bye!